Navigating ISF for Government Imports, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will be providing a comprehensive guide to understanding Importer Security Filing (ISF) requirements for government imports. As customs brokerage professionals, it's important to have a thorough understanding of how ISF regulations apply to government agencies. So, let's dive right in and explore the intricacies of ISF for government imports. Introduction to ISF for government imports. Government imports are subject to the same ISF requirements as commercial imports. ISF filing plays a crucial role in enhancing security measures and facilitating efficient customs clearance for government agencies. Identifying government imports. Government imports encompass a wide range of goods and materials procured by various government agencies at the federal, state, and local levels. These imports can include everything from equipment and supplies to specialized goods for government projects. ISF filing timeline for government imports. Government imports must comply with the same ISF filing timeline as commercial imports. The ISF information should be submitted at least 24 hours before the ship's departure to the U.S. to allow for risk assessment and smooth customs clearance. Required information for ISF filing for government imports. To comply with ISF regulations, government agencies must provide accurate and detailed information, including importer-exporter details, seller details, container stuffing location, bill of lading number, and other applicable data. Role of customs brokers in ISF filing for government imports. Customs brokers play a vital role in assisting government agencies with ISF filing. They possess the expertise to gather and submit the necessary information accurately and ensure compliance with ISF regulations. Collaboration between government agencies and customs brokers. Government agencies should establish a collaborative relationship with customs brokers to ensure a smooth ISF filing process. Proper communication and timely sharing of information are key elements in achieving compliance for government imports. Unique considerations for government imports. Government imports may have unique considerations due to their specific nature, such as sensitive materials, classified commodities, or diplomatic shipments. Customs brokers should be aware of any additional requirements or exemptions that may apply. Compliance with other regulations. Government imports may be subject to additional regulations, such as those related to defense and security, hazardous materials, or intellectual property rights. Customs brokers should ensure compliance with all applicable regulations in conjunction with ISF filing. Government contract requirements. Government imports often involve contracts and agreements between government agencies and suppliers. Customs brokers should be familiar with the specific contract requirements, including ISF obligations, to ensure compliance. Verification of government identity and authority. Customs brokers must verify the government agency's identity and authority during the ISF filing process. This includes confirming the agency's authorization to import goods and its adherence to relevant regulations. ISF compliance monitoring for government imports. Government agencies should regularly monitor their ISF compliance to ensure timely and accurate submissions. This may involve implementing internal auditing processes and reviewing ISF filings for accuracy and completeness. Collaboration with other government agencies. Government imports often require coordination and collaboration between multiple government agencies. Customs brokers should be prepared to facilitate communication and information sharing among these agencies to ensure compliance with ISF regulations. Confidentiality and data security. Government imports may involve sensitive information that must be treated with utmost confidentiality and data security. Customs brokers should have appropriate measures in place to protect the confidentiality and integrity of government import data. Documentation and record keeping. Government agencies must maintain thorough documentation and records of ISF filings for their imports. This includes retaining copies of the ISF submissions and any related documents for future reference and audit purposes. Cooperation with U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP. Government agencies should maintain a cooperative relationship with CBP. This involves promptly responding to any inquiries or requests for additional information related to ISF filings for government imports. Training and education. Government agencies should invest in training and education programs for their personnel involved in procurement and customs processes. This ensures a comprehensive understanding of ISF requirements and promotes compliance. Compliance assessments and audits. Government agencies should conduct periodic assessments and audits of their ISF filing processes to identify any weaknesses or areas for improvement. These assessments help ensure ongoing compliance and adherence to regulations. Industry best practices for government imports. Importing best practices, such as maintaining accurate records, staying informed about regulatory changes, and collaborating closely with customs brokers, can greatly facilitate successful ISF filing for government imports. Continuous improvement and adaptation. Government agencies should strive for continuous improvement in their customs compliance processes. By adapting to changes in regulations and technology, agencies can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of their ISF filings. Thank you for joining us on this guide to understanding ISF requirements for government imports in customs brokerage. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into navigating the complexities of ISF regulations in the government sector.